So this is the new error that I'm seeing. Error ACC. When I try to press cruise control, I get that error. Cruise control will not engage. I can go back and forth, toggling on and off. Cruise control deactivated, and then I turn it back on. Still error. Cruise control will not engage. I should also mention that 5 minutes ago, the anti-collision warning came up, and there was nothing in front of me. Nothing at all in front of me, and the anti-collision warning came up in front of me. Since we're talking about errors, thought I should also mention that we have an error with the clock. The clock does not adjust to daylight savings time. So it's now an hour ahead. It's been this way since we changed clocks a week ago.